Welcome back, second grade mathematicians. Today we are going to work on adding up to four two-digit numbers. Today we are going to use the break apart with expanded form strategy. So let's go ahead and read our math sentence first. The word problem is Chandler and Monica were collecting cans to be recycled. On the first day, Chandler found 43 cans and Monica found 34 cans. On the second day, Chandler found 57 cans and Monica found 24 cans. How many cans did they find altogether on both days? So the first thing I have to understand is what is the word problem asking me? The first thing I notice is that it wants to know how many altogether on both days. That's very important for me to understand the word altogether means to add, and I'm adding both days. So let's go ahead and write an equation. On the first day, Chandler found 43 cans and Monica found 34. So I would write 43 plus 34. Now remember, we're looking at both days. On the second day, Chandler found 57 cans, so I'm going to continue adding 57, and Monica found 24 cans. So now I have my equation. The next step I need to take is to break apart each number into tens and ones. So I know the number 43 is 40 and 3. 34 is 30 and 4. 57 is 50 and 7. 24 is 20 and 4. So now I'm going to add my tens together first. 40 plus 30 plus 50 plus 20. Another way that I can look at that is to think of my tens. I have 4 tens, 3 tens, 5 tens, and 2 tens. Altogether, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 tens. Now I know that 14 tens is the same as 140. So 40 plus 30 plus 50 plus 20 equals 140. The next thing I'm going to do is to add my ones. From the 43, I have 3 ones, 4 ones, plus 7 ones, plus 4 more. Now, one way I can look at this is using my mental math strategy. I know my tens. I know that 3 and 7 make 10. I know my doubles, 4 and 4 make 8. So that tells me 10 plus 8 is 18. So now I can add again. My 140 plus one more 10 plus 8 ones. So I know that 140 plus 10 more is 150 plus 8 ones. So my answer is 150. 58. So now I can go back up to my original equation, and I understand that 43 plus 34 plus 57 plus 24 equals 158. Okay, let's try this one more time, but with different amounts. Let's read our word problem. Chandler and Monica were collecting cans to be recycled. On the first day, Chandler found 21 cans and Monica found 45 cans. On the second day, Chandler found 35 cans and Monica found 14 cans. How many cans did they find altogether on both days? Again, I have to understand what the word problem is asking. Altogether means they want to know how many in total. Both days tells me that they want to know how many they collected on both days combined. So let's look at our equation. I know that on the first day, Chandler found 21 cans and Monica found 45. So I now know that 21 is going to be added to 45. Now remember, we have to continue to the second day. On the second day, Chandler found 35 cans and Monica found 14. So I will then add 35 and 14 more. Now the first thing I want to do is I want to break apart my number into tens and ones. So I know that the number 21 is 20 and 1. 45 is 40 and 5. 35 is 30 and 5. 14 is 10 and 4. So I will then add my tens. 20 plus 40 plus 30 plus 10. Okay, so if I want to look at my base tens, I can draw my base tens out to know that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 tens. I also noticed that I could add together 40 and 10 to make 50, 20 and 30 to make 50. And I also know that 50 plus 50 is 100. Okay, the next step is to add my ones together. 1 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4. Now I already see doubles, so I know that 5 and 5 is 10. And I also know that 1 and 4 makes 5. 10 and 5 make 15. So now I can add 100 plus a 10 plus 5 ones. And my answer is 115. So I go back to my original equation, 21 plus 45 plus 35 plus 14 equals 115. Great job, mathematicians. Now it's your turn to try.